I was still in the process of transitioning from having a physical business to working online primarily with my clients. And so that's kind of where I feel like I've gotten much closer to now. So I was still back and forth a lot with physical clients and yeah, struggling with the online side of things. In my business, I liked how we immediately focused on my sales script. I had been working towards the online for a while, so I had been introduced to sales scripts and stuff like that before. But I felt that with your help and your practice, both with you and your other coaches, I got way more in tune with, authentic selling and feeling like I really knew what I was doing and selling my products to people that have never heard of me before. It's not 100% consistent yet because I've just gotten to this point, but I've had my first month where it completely replaced physical clients. So that was 10,000 plus in income just from online clients. And then, now I feel like I have a messaging team. I feel like I know how to do the sales and can do them consistently. I know that I can, continue on this path and continue to grow this system. So I feel more confident in myself, even though I still have a lot to learn online. Yeah, so I feel like it's opening up a new world for me. I would say definitely do it. I've coached with a lot of different coaches, and a lot of times you don't get the service part of it as well. And I feel like you guys deliver both, and that's been really important for somebody to go through, to actually, talk with real salespeople and to have them go through the sales script with me, to have people to help me with the programs and all of these different things, the Facebook ads, so that it's not 100 different people, 100 different services that you're signing up for. It definitely makes things a lot easier. And then for me, because I had also been with so many different coaches, I think at one point I had soured a little bit to the process. So I also just mindset wise decided like to fully commit to your system. And I think that's really important that somebody does that, and then just go with it.